Hey, Mother's Day is this Sunday, and E.N. Beauty Salon is celebrating our mamas with this amazing Mother's Day special with their B.A.M kit. They're located in the heart of Kaka'ako, and we talk story with owner Lisa. Hey, how's it, everybody? I am here at E.N. Beauty Studio on South Street here in beautiful Honolulu, and one of my favorite places to get all dolly. And of course, we're getting ready for Mother's Day, and with me is the owner and the founder of E.N. Beauty Studio, my friend Lisa. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Meili.
So good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
So we're getting ready for Mother's Day, and you just created a Mother's Day B.A.M signature kit. Tell us about this B.A.M signature kit.
So I've designed this B.A.M Mom signature skincare kit specifically for mothers that work so hard to take care of everyone else, their family, their children. However, they don't have time for themselves.
Yeah, so what's inside the kit?
Inside the kit, I've included my botanical organic skincare line that's made with aloha. So it has a lot of ingredients from Hawaii, my signature fragrance, and a tinted brow gel.
So Lisa, you created this signature fragrance that everybody's falling in love with. Tell us about that.
So this signature fragrance, how I was inspired to create it is because that was something like a combination of fragrances that I used to wear, and I've decided to put it all into one. It has the yin-yang properties, which calms your senses, gives you that nice balance. It has saffron in it, jasmine, and cedarwood. So the jasmine and saffron gives you the nice sweet notes, and then cedarwood gives you a little bit of that musk. So you have that balance. And inside of the fragrance, I've included in each single bottle rose quartz, which opens up your heart chakra.
So it's time for Lisa's tips, my favorite part of the show. Can you show me where to put your signature fragrance?
A lot of us, what we do is we just mist it on our clothes, on our neck, on our face, you name it. But the proper way to use any fragrance is actually misting it on your wrist. So let me do that right here. Mm-hmm. And when you mist it on the wrist, whatever you do, you never want to rub.
Oh, don't
because
rub.
it actually changes the chemical compounds of the fragrance. So you want to dab, 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 and then put it on your neck, behind your ears, and then you can do a little spritz on your heart chakra, the chest, but just very little, very slight.
It smells so good.
Do you smell that?
And it makes you feel calm and just tranquil. So Lisa, inside your B.A.M signature kit, you have this very special eyebrow gel. Tell us about that.
It's a vegan brow gel, all natural and organic. I'm very big on keeping things natural. It has a little bit of tint to it. It's a universal color, and you apply it onto the hairs only, not to the skin. And it adds the density if you have very sparse eyebrows, if they're just very light and thin, or for example, if some of us get that one unwanted or several white hairs. So it's just like mascara. It covers up the unwanted white hairs. It also adds density, fullness, and some color. So it's perfect for those that are on the go and just need to put in some color and go.
So everybody's getting excited for this B.A.M signature kit. Of course, B.A.M stands for Bad Okole Mom. So Lisa, where can people find information on your B.A.M signature kit?
On our B.A.M signature mom kit, you can find information at our website, en-beauty.com, or by calling us 808-797-5757, or visit our Instagram, En Signature Brows Hawaii.
Yes, sis. Give me a B.A.M.
B.A.M.
Check it out. Happy Mother's Day.